guys, it's hot outside. It is hot. I don't even know because it's very hot. Oh, that was definitely a premium side. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to yet another video. If you're new to this channel and you're wondering what this gorgeous face is, my name is Niyo Madondo, Nikki M on Instagram, Nikki M on TikTok. I hope you will love it here. I hope you will stay and you will definitely gonna subscribe. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Thank you so much to my OGs who keep on coming back to watch my vlogs and like and comments. Yabong, yabonga, oh yabonga. So today, okay, I have two of my subbies requesting a makeup tutorial, and today we're gonna try do that. Let's get into it. Let's get it. Let's make up. So first things first is eyebrows. I'm good. So I don't do too much. I don't. But my eyeliner. Abundance on my list. Guys, but please trust the process. What I seek me back. Every dream's on track. Yeah, not to see a pair. I am whole, all abundance flows back. Get a little achieve the look. So yeah, I'm going to cool. Oh, goes a good step. It's concealer, then I conceal my I walk fearless and steady, my path in full glory, my heart. Concealer. Oh, I am paid to exist. I'm put it here. Abundance on my list is okay. Every breath that I take, please trust the process now. Is the proof for my gift. Do you see the vision? Do you, honeys? Every dream's on track. I am light, I am whole. All abundance flows back. We'll go with time is my ally, the present my gold. Every truth I embody turns to riches untold. From the silence I rise, from the stillness I see. All I need, all I ask. Immediately after doing my eyebrows, this is what I just put on my foundation. I breathe out, I believe I am here. Color, it's cocoa. I exist, I possess, I am paid to exist. Abundance on my list is every breath that I take. I just go in and rest and foundation. What I seek me back. Every dream's on track. I am light, I am whole. So that you blend. You blend. Okay. I first thing go in with my brush before it's sponge. Umshini uqedile. Umshini. Okay guys, I have to go. Excuse me, we'll keep you in bed machine and I'll come here just now. But you know what? I'm just going in with my brush. This is a more here. Oh, this is Wet n Wild. Like I said, I'm using Lancome, but if I use my product, I've finished it guys. So I had to use what I have. So but this is my go-to foundation. I use Lancome Ultra Wear in a shade. The Ultra Lancome Luxury. So I use that. Oh, saying it. Hey, buka ngifake nakwidla phezulu. Ngifake nasey'nweleni phela manje. Yibo. Then after that blend, so I just take this Fit Me concealer and then just put here on my eyelid. I don't do too much. Talent natural. Izohlanganisa nensamo. Kuzongena ithuluzi. Trembe. See what that gives? See what that is giving? Unreal. Unreal.
I see we're achieving that golden, that nudish, brownish look on my eyelids. Yeah, but nothing hectic, nothing. Like that. A brownish shade. We don't want to see two colors, right? We don't want to see what's in brown, gold, color. We just want to see something ombre, right? Now the eyeshadow is done. But guys, I'm going to makeup and I'm going to so I'm going to highlight and my lash. So what I do is I put on my lashes and then come highlight my face and bronze my face and put what is this? Blush. So now I'm going to put on my lashes and then continue, right? And I'm going to put on my lashes off camera because in the yeah. So guys, I've put on my lashes now, and I'm gonna highlight my face so that I want to manage my proper and nothing is gold. I highlight my ball. Just stuff it in. My face. Lula makeup here. I'm not smang. It's 10. Please trust the process. I hope you're still trusting the process. There. And then to that I'm gonna go in with my LA blush. Good like this is value and you should I want to do this makeup after I've waited up my whole product. But if it's like a bit of this bad. But this is also LA when I'm with you, when I'm with you, oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, yeah. Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me, only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind, you know, you ain't never lied. Fact is you're one of one yourself, cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time, cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, mayday, Okay. Final step.
I am paid to exist. Abundance on my list. Every breath that I take is the proof of my gift.
I can't.
Takes me back. Every dream's on track.
Singing,
I am whole. All abundance flows back. I align with the flow.
Final.
Every seed that I plant, it will grow. I am guided, supported by the light I've embodied. I walk fearless and steady, my path in full glory. My heart writes the story. I am paid to exist. Abundance on my list is every breath that I take is the proof of my gift. What I seek seeks me back. Every dream's on track. I am light, I am whole. All abundance flows back.
That's the makeup.
Time is my ally, the present my gold. Every truth I embody turns to riches untold. From the silence I rise, from the stillness I see. All I need, all I ask flows with ease into me. I breathe in, I receive. I breathe out, I believe. I am here, I am blessed. I exist, I possess. I am paid to exist. Abundance on my list. Every breath that I take is the proof of my gift. What I seek seeks me back. Every dream's on track. I am light, I am whole. All abundance flows back.
So please guys do tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Please do subscribe. Do subscribe and do like and tell me what you think in the comment section. I will see you guys on to my next vlog. For now, goodbye.